Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to AppSec's online support program. I'm Zunaira Javed from Army Public School and Colleges, Rahim Yar Khan, Kent. Today we have mathematics class for grade 2. Our today's topic is fraction and we are going to learn from textbook page number 222 to 228 and workbook pages are 181 to 186. Summary of the lesson is students will be able to understand that what are fractions, numerators and denominator. Objectives: students will be able to define fraction, numerator and denominator. Identify a fraction by comparing the number of shaded parts to the number of equal parts. Topic introduction. What is fraction? Fraction is a numerical quantity that is not a whole number. A small or tiny part or amount or proportion of something is called fraction. This is how we write fraction: 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 3. All these are examples of fraction. Now what is numerator and what is denominator? The lower value of the fraction is called denominator and the upper value is called numerator. Numerator is the top digit that represents the part of the whole, and denominator is the bottom digit that represents the whole number. For example, if you divide a circle in 4 parts, then denominator will be 4. And if the shaded part of the circle is one portion, then 1 will be the numerator. These are some examples of fraction. Now tell me what is the numerator and what is the denominator among these fractions. In 3 by 4, 3 is numerator and 4 is denominator. Now tell me in 1 by 2 what is numerator? Yes, 1 is the numerator and 2 is denominator. How to write fraction? Look at the circle. Circle is divided into 2 parts, so denominator is 2 and the shaded area is one part of the circle, so 1 will be the numerator. Similarly, in third circle, the circle is divided into 4 equal parts, so 4 is the denominator and the shaded area is one part of the circle, so 1 will be the numerator. Similarly, in last picture, 3 by 4 is the required fraction because 3 parts out of 4 are colored. Similarly, in first rectangle, there is 2 portion and 1 portion is colored, so fraction is 1 by 2. In second rectangle, 2 by 3 is the required fraction. As you can see, 2 portions are colored and total portions are 3. This is the picture of one whole cake, and if I divide it in 4 equal parts, and if I take out one part, so the remaining fraction is 3 by 4. Next question is, how can Raju and Meling share the cake equally? If there are 2 kids, so the cake is divided into 2 parts. So denominator is 2 and for 1 children, 1 by 2 is the required fraction. This is question number 2. Fold a square piece of paper into 2 equal parts and unfold and shade one part. This is how you can divide an object into 2 halves. And if you divide an object in 4 equal parts, then first fold an object in 1 half and then again fold it to its half. Then you get 1 by 4th of the portion. See, the circle is divided into 3 equal parts and one part is colored. So 1 by 3 is the fraction, 1 is numerator and 3 is denominator. In second circle, 2 by 3 is the required fraction. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Next, the numerator shows the number of equal parts that is shaded and the denominator shows the total number of equal parts in a whole. Question number 5 is, what fraction of the waffle is eaten? Look at the picture. One part is remaining and 3 parts are missing. And the waffle is divided into 4 parts. So denominator is 4. As 3 parts are missing, so 3 by 4 is the required fraction. 3 by 4 of the waffle is eaten. What fraction of each circle is shaded? Look at the first circle. Circle is divided into 5 parts and 1 part is colored. So 1 out of 5 equal parts of the circle is shaded. Similarly, in next circle, 2 parts are colored and total parts are 5. So 2 out of 5 equal parts of the circle are shaded. Similarly, solve question number 3. Next, these are the pictorial representations of fraction. In first picture, circle is divided into 2 parts. So denominator is 2 and shaded part is one side. So 1 by 2 is the fraction. In next picture, fraction is 1 by 3. As you can see, circle is divided into 3 parts and 1 part is colored. Similarly, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 7, 1 by 8, 1 by 9, 1 by 10, 1 by 11 and 1 by 12. Next, think of some examples of fraction in your everyday life. Use circle or fraction to show the fraction. Example, a pizza can be cut into 6 equal parts. So denominator is 6 and if I take out one part, so that portion represent 1 by 6 and remaining portion represent 5 by 6. Similarly, question number 2 is ask your partner to make a fraction from the read the fraction aloud. 5 slices of pizza is 5/6 of pizza, like 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6 and 1 by 6. And this is equal to 5 by 6. Why this is 5 by 6? Because we take out the one part from the 6 pieces. Next is the practice question, which are cut into equal parts. Look at the waffle. Is it divided into 2 equal parts? No. The second object, is it divided into equal parts? Yes. So this is the answer. Mark it correct or circle the object. Next, pizza. Pizza is divided into 5 equal parts. Yes. Tick this object. And last, a biscuit is not divided into equal parts. Similarly, solve question number 2. Which picture show 1 by 2 of the shape shaded? 1 by 2 means which picture is divided into equal parts. Similarly, question number 3. What fraction of each shape is shaded? First of all, count the portions and write denominator and then count the colored parts and write numerator. Similarly, solve question number 4 and write the shaded fraction. Homework, solve practice workbook pages 181 to 186. And follow these guidelines while doing your homework and send clear pictures to your teacher. Thank you.